Hello, my dear students. Very good morning to one and all. Welcome back to my channel. In this session, I would like to discuss about the important questions in bridge course in part of biological sciences in that botany in unit 1. Okay, who are going to write the bridge course examinations like to get the BIFE certificate in that biological sciences and physical sciences paper will be there. No, in biological sciences part session A botany and part 2 is the zoology will be there in this botany. Okay, botany bridge course unit 1, very important questions in unit 1. Okay, once again I am telling about the in this session I would like to give the some of the important questions in botany for the bridge course by P certificate in unit 1. The unit 1 is the diversity in the living world. This is a once again I am repeating. Okay, important questions in botany unit 1, diversity in the living world. This is for the only bridge course to get a bridge course certificate like BIPC. It's clear, not for the general BIPC students. Like this is only for the who are going to get the BIPC certificate by writing the bridge course examinations in the biological sciences botany unit 1. Very important questions in unit 1, diversity in the living world. Okay, so these are the what does ICBN stand for, which is the largest botanical garden in the world. Name a well known botanical garden in India. What is the basic unit of classification? Give the scientific name of mango. What are the okay viroids different from viruses? Who propose a five kingdom classification? Name two diseases caused by the mycoplasmas. Who is popular known as father of botany? Who discovered the cell? What is okay botany? What are the groups of plants that live as symbionts in lichens? Name the study of lichens. Which group of plants is called ambience of plant kingdom? Name the branch of botany which deals with ambience of plant kingdom. What are the basis of the classification of algae? What are the two stages found in the gametophyte of mosses? Name the gymnosperms which contain mycorrhiza. Next, name the chloroid roots respectively. Okay, next one is these are the short. So these are the only 1 mark questions. So these are very short answers questions. Very short answers questions means 1 mark questions. So these are all the unit 1 1 mark questions. Very important questions. Next, these are the 4 marks questions. Only in bridge course examinations, you people may have the 1 mark questions and 4 marks questions will be there. So till now, how many questions I have given? 19 questions for the 1 mark questions. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 questions are belongs to 4 marks questions in unit 1 botany. Okay. Okay, what are the taxonomical give the importance of herbaria and museums, explain binomial nomenclature, give the silent features and importance of okay Chirospites, give a brief account of dinoflagellates, differentiate between red algae and brown algae. What is heterospory? Briefly comment on its significance, give 2 examples. Draw label diagrams of female thallus and male thallus of a liverworts. So these are the very short answers questions and 1 mark questions and short answer questions 4 marks questions in unit 1 for the botany, like a bridge course students. Okay, so thanks for watching my channel. Have a nice day.